In this video, I'll show you how to edit writing with Claude AI quickly and easily. This is a helpful way to improve grammar, clarity, and overall quality of your text. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" Now I'll paste or type the text that I want Claude to edit. For example, I might paste a paragraph from an email, essay, or document. After adding the text, I'll include a prompt like, "Edit this writing to improve grammar and clarity." Then I'll click the send button. Claude will analyze the text and generate an improved version with better grammar, structure, and readability. If I want a specific type of editing, I can also ask Claude to rewrite the text in a more professional tone, simplify the writing, or make it more concise. For example, I could type, "Rewrite this to sound more professional." Once Claude generates the edited version, I can copy the improved text and use it in my document or message. And that's it. I've successfully edited my writing using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.